Viewers, shifting focus to Tamil Nadu, where amid the language row, the DMK will move to Supreme Court to file a case against Centre over the national education policy. This comes after Tamil Nadu Chief Minister M.K. Stalin was conspicuous by his absence at the inauguration of India's newest engineering marvel, the Pamban Railway Bridge at Rameshwaram. As the DMK chief skipped the event, ruling ally Congress held a black flag protest, demonstrating spite when the occasion called for bipartisan support. Take a look at this report.
Amid the language row and alleged Hindi imposition remarks by Tamil Nadu Chief Minister M.K. Stalin, DMK has decided to move to Supreme Court and file a case against Centre on NEP. This move comes after Stalin skipped meeting with Prime Minister Narendra Modi at the mega inauguration event of Pamban Bridge. As host, Sri Lanka freed 16 Indian fishermen as a gesture of goodwill during the PM's visit. The ruling DMK frittered away a rare opportunity to close ranks for development. Choosing politics over protocol, the Chief Minister raised eyebrows as he did not even extend the political courtesy of receiving the PM on his arrival at Rameshwaram. Rolling out projects worth Rs 8,000 crore for Tamil Nadu, PM Modi took a jibe at the CM. The PM said his government has given 3 times more funds to Tamil Nadu than what it received under the Congress-led UPA, of which the DMK was a part.
बीते दशक में तमिलनाडु के विकास के लिए 2014 से पहले की तुलना में 3 गुना ज्यादा पैसा सेंटर से दिया गया है। जब इंडी अलायंस की सरकार थी, डीएमके उस सरकार में विराजमान थे, तब जितना पैसा मिला उससे 3 गुना मोदी सरकार ने दिया है। इससे तमिलनाडु की इकोनॉमिक और इंडस्ट्रियल ग्रोथ में बहुत बड़ी मदद मिली है।
Not stopping at this, the PM threw an open challenge to Stalin amid the fierce political showdown over the push for a third language in Tamil Nadu. Prime Minister Modi dared Stalin to introduce medical courses in the state in Tamil.
देश भर में कई राज्यों ने मातृभाषा में डॉक्टरी की शिक्षा आरंभ की है। अब गरीब से गरीब मां का बेटा बेटी भी जिसने अंग्रेजी नहीं पढ़ी है, वो भी डॉक्टर बन सकते हैं। मैं भी तमिलनाडु सरकार से आग्रह करूंगा कि वे तमिल भाषा में डॉक्टरी के कोर्सेज चालू करें, ताकि गरीब मां के बेटे बेटी भी डॉक्टर बन सके।
Meanwhile, the Congress too held a black flag protest during the PM's visit, starring Tamil Nadu's mega day with political posturing and grandstanding.
We're also being joined by my colleague Sarda live on the broadcast to get us more details. Sarda, the DMK is all set to move to Supreme Court against the national education policy. What other details do you have on the matter?
Well, the DMK has been fighting against the implementation of third language policy in the state of Tamil Nadu. However, after Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visit, it became more political after Modi stated that the state government should implement the learning of doctor education in Tamil, and that it was the state government that has failed to do so, because Amit Shah had earlier mentioned that the permission for the state has been granted a few years back. However, it is taking time for the state government to transfer and translate all the books from English to Tamil. Also, which the DMK noted that their boycott to Prime Minister Narendra Modi's meet yesterday was due to the delimitation that is to happen in 2026. Stalin reiterated that the delimitation would cause a big fall for Tamil Nadu and Pondicherry, as their voices would low down if the delimitation happens on population, and that it was on purpose that he missed this particular meeting in Rameshwaram. We also have that the DMK today will be moving to the Supreme Court to file a case against the centre, as they do not want to implement the Waqf Amendment Bill, the NEET exams the National Education Policy or the Citizenship Amendment Act. So this DMK is moving to the Supreme Court as a large move to oppose the centre for the policies that the state should be implementing soon.
Well, thanks very much for getting us those details.